Alright guys, we got a 96 Dodge Dakota V6 Magnum. And what we did to it, stock converter there, factory converter. We put a FLOWMASTER Super 10 series. He had a FLOWMASTER on here, I believe it was 40 series. And he lowered the truck and everything was discombobulated.
First, discombobulate. Dazed, discombobulate. Distract target. Discombobulate. Block his blind jab. Discombobulate.
Things were hitting, things were scraping. So we said, don't worry, we'll take care of it. And he wanted a little more sound, so we switched him out for a Super 10. Ran the tailpipes together all the way back. It's a nice angled, finished look. Looks really good, really clean. So yeah guys, stick around, we'll let you hear it. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Guys, and this is the old system. There's his old FLOWMASTER, the old tailpipes. Like I said, we're just rattling, hitting everything. Now it should be good to go. Oh yeah. Yeah, see, it upped it up a little bit. All right, sound decibels. Right at 105-ish. It's a good, clean sound on it. Come on back. Sounds really good. Sounds good, man. It's a clean truck, man. Look at that thing. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. '96 Dodge Dakota Sport. Nice looking truck, and now it's a nice sounding truck.